bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Diagnosing a no-start problem involves several steps. First, check the battery. Ensure it's fully charged and connections are clean and tight. Next, inspect the starter for signs of malfunction like unusual noises when attempting to start. Don't forget to verify the fuel supply. A car won't start without fuel reaching the engine. Lastly, examine the ignition system for spark issues. These steps can help pinpoint the issue, but professional diagnostic tools might be necessary for a deeper analysis.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.